afternoon, everyone. It's an honor and a privilege to stand here with New York Communities for Change, as well as my distinguished colleagues in government, on an issue that can be no more significant to anyone than the education of our children. The mayor has had control over the public school system now, complete control, for more than 10 years. And so if the school system is failing, it's failing on his watch.
That's right.
And by any account, the system is not serving our children in the manner in which they deserve. Each and every year, hundreds of thousands of young people failing to perform at grade level in reading or in math. The high school graduation rate in many instances, less than 50%. And the achievement gap between white students and students of color remains wider than the Grand Canyon. And it can't be the case that the effort of first resort is to close every school. That shouldn't be the effort of first resort. It should be the effort of last resort after everything else has been tried to improve the quality of the education of our children.
Right.
In our view, this debate has become unnecessarily divisive. Parents against parents, community against community, school against school. All we want is good schools.
Right.
All we want is to make sure that every single child can get the best possible education to adequately prepare them for the challenges of the 21st century, because if not, we're at risk of dooming millions of children to life sentences of disadvantage and despair. And how can we allow that to happen in the greatest city in the world?
Right.
And so from a state perspective, we're asking the state education department, as well as the commissioner, to take a hard, impassioned, fair look at the strategies that have been put in place and suggest how things can be done better to give our children quality education that they deserve.